So the main drivers behind the shift to greener propellants is one of environmental sustainability. There's developing legislation and regulation in the space around limiting the use, phase down and phase out of F-gases, of which 134a and 227 fall under that banner. So reformulating existing products with the greener alternative propellants will provide access to the products that patients know in life-saving medications on a much more sustainable format, much more environmentally friendly and suitable for the future. So the common green propellants in use today are 152a and 1234ze. They provide significant benefits in terms of their global warming potential compared to the current and existing propellants of 134a and 227. And by reformulating these products into a more environmentally friendly and sustainable solution, we'll continue to provide access to life-saving medication for patients, as well as establishing the green credentials of the inhaler, providing a much more environmentally friendly solution. So the switch to new green propellants isn't as simple as taking out the existing propellant and substituting a new propellant in. The new propellants have fundamental differences in terms of their thermophysical properties, physicochemical properties compared to the existing propellants. And that provides a challenge to the formulator. That can result in differences in suspension or solution capability, which the formulator overcomes. We need to think about testing methodologies for the products. We need to examine and potentially change materials of construction for the valves, canisters, and actuators. Optimize actuator geometries to enable the product to ultimately deliver comparable or equivalent performance to the existing marketed products. From a manufacturing perspective, we also have to consideration to the flammability of the new propellants, which requires us to invest in new manufacturing capability. All of the manufacturing aspects, testing aspects, hardware, and formulation need to be combined to result in a product that is safe and efficacious for the patient and provides the same performance outcomes as the existing marketed products. Working with a CDMO as Kindeva, who have significant knowledge, expertise in this space, provides a real benefit to industry, ensuring that we maximize efficiency in product development, providing a turnkey package. So the proactive investment at Kindeva in terms of our manufacturing capabilities to support the transition to 152a and 1234 mean that we're in a position today to offer lab and clinical scale capability to our partners, which affords them time-efficient outcomes in their development programs. In parallel to that, we are also investing in our first commercial scale line, and we already have plans in place for further investment through 2025 and beyond to increase our commercial footprint and provide additional capacity to partners for their anticipated launches in subsequent years. So Kindeva have invested in manufacturing outcomes for 152a and 1234ze. We have lab and small clinical pilot scale available now for partners, and later this year, our commercial line will be available. But that doesn't stop our investment. We are proactively investing in further commercial capability to ensure that there is capacity for inhaler manufacture as all our partners continue to transition their products from current to future green alternative propellants.